Meet Aladdin. His impound number is 4780903. And Aladdin is a gorgeous 2-year-old male husky, and he's got some shepherd in him, who was found with his companion Guardian on December 2nd and brought to the Downey shelter. This 51-pound high-energy guy walks okay on leash, but he could use a refresher course. He pulls a little bit. He is very active, very friendly. He gets along well with other dogs of all breeds and sizes, and he is going to be marvelous with children. Very playful, very curious guy. He is going to be a perfect indoor companion for an active family living in a private residence, and one that's going to be willing to take him for lots of walks because he's going to require that to dissipate his energy. Just a marvelous companion, very loyal, very beautiful. This is Aladdin, a magical dog. You just have to rub him and you'll see the genie come out in him. He's available for adoption today from your friends here at the Downey Shelter.